August 15, 2022. This one I gotta go change a storage tank for a guy. I was over there last week, and the relief valve on a water heater kept blowing big time. So I thought it was the expansion tank that was bad, so I shut the water feeder off to the boiler and drained the boiler down, and the relief valve kept blowing. So come to find out, it was the storage tank coil that's leaking. So guy just bought the house recently, and he needs to change the storage tank. So I'm going to go there and cut it out, put a different style one in there. And I'm probably going to change the expansion tank on the boiler and the relief valve also, because it's, you know, an older system. So I got that figured into the price, and we're going to drain down the storage tank and swap it out. So I'm going back with a 40-gallon storage tank. Kind of a low area down there, kind of crawl space type of area. So the one I have is probably the same height as what's there now. It's limited space. So we'll try to get him some shots as I go along here with it. They put something together for you. Alright guys, this is the unit here. I got it shut off there, feeding in to the storage tank, and it was blowing the relief valve continuously. Well, we're gonna shut this off. We're gonna drain the system down. I'm gonna change this tank out. It's not really that big of a tank. Kind of limited area here where we're at here. We're in a crawl space, so we're gonna hook up my pump and start pumping this thing down. We'll probably just probably leave that tempering valve in there, but I'm not sure. Not sure yet. Well, might leave the tempering valve alone. Alright, I got it all drained. The other tank's about the same size. I'm gonna put it in the same spot here. I'm gonna reuse this, I think. I'm gonna have to get a 1-inch nipple. And the bottom's gonna be different. Wow, the flipping thing is heavy. Just about killed me getting out of here. Holy shit. Must be stone lined or something. Flipping monster. This one might have a little water in it still, so I'm not sure. It's a little hard to cut the solder. Tempering valve. I'm not putting a tempering valve on it. Nothing but problems with those things. fed with 1/2 inch. Kind of weird, but the way it was, so. Careful you don't burn the tank, because the tank's plastic, right? So you gotta be careful. You don't want to put the flame towards the tank. Relief valve coming off the top. It's a 8-inch one. I don't know why they're feeding it with 1/2 inch, but I don't know. Maybe that's all they got down here. Guys, we're gonna check this tank. It looks new, but 11 pounds, that should be good. Tank's still good. I'm gonna change the relief valve for sure though. That relief valve's gotta be changed. See if the thing will fill now. Might need a new feeder. Gotta put a new feeder in there. I think the other one was no good. The feeder, I had to put a new one in over there. I did check the 9Ds alright, but now we're getting a flow. That's the type of shit you don't see when you're bidding on these jobs, you know? That's why you carry extra. I'm gonna go right through and purge all the zones now. At least I'm getting a good flow. I can hear it now. Before I wasn't getting no flow. Gotta cover your ass. That's the motto of the story. Gotta cover your ass when you're doing these jobs. Got enough money in there to, in case there's things that need to be changed. I didn't know if the tank, I knew the relief valve had to be changed. The tank, I wasn't sure. I didn't know about the feeder. You can hear it. Getting a good flow now, so give it a good how you doing. I'm gonna do them all, do all the zones. I got all the valves restored. I got it all purged. This one zone doesn't seem to be tied in somewhere. It's one of them's capped off over here, so I'm thinking that's it. One of them's capped off over here. Guy ain't home, so I won't be able to check. It's staying about 20, but I don't know if that's even accurate. So this thing should start heating up now. The storage tank should be calling. It's just going to take a little while to heat up, but I did put the date on the tank. I'm sure it's okay before I leave, but I had to put a new feeder in there and a new relief valve, and I put a drip on the relief because the other one didn't have one. I got to try to get that other tank in my truck too. Not going to be easy. Boiler's off a limit. These are nice and toasty, so it is heating up. I got another marker. I mark this. I'll leave him his stuff on top of the tank here. Left the tag there. In place 40-gallon storage tank. And also over here on the boiler, holding about 20 pounds, which is fine. New water feeder, relief valve, and purge zones. That's it. That's after. Didn't come out too bad, considering. Gotta get there to pick up all my stuff yet. Not a lot of room down here, so I'll be fine with that.